Imagine pulling up to a car inspection, so brutal it turns everyday drivers into part-time mechanics, and failing means your car is basically grounded. That's the reality of Japan's shaken inspection, and it's exactly why so many Japanese cars seem bulletproof and rack up insane mileages. If you want to steal their secrets and push your own car toward 1,000,000 miles, stay right here. Stick around to the end and I'll drop one simple habit that saved drivers thousands in surprise repairs. But first, here's the one secret that can literally triple how long your engine lasts. Secret number 17, progressive warm-up before driving. You jump in, fire it up, and floor it out of the driveway like you're late for a race. Sound familiar? That single habit is quietly destroying engines every single day. Japanese fleet data shows vehicles that get proper warm-ups can last up to 3 times longer than those that don't. Here, what's happening? When the engine is stone cold, the oil is thick and hasn't reached the camshaft, piston rings, bearings, or turbo. Rev it hard and you're creating metal-on-metal grinding. That leads to piston scuffing, scored cylinder walls, and eventually catastrophic bearing failure. One bad cold start after another and you're staring at a $5,000 plus engine rebuild. Do it right instead. In winter, give it a solid 30 seconds before you move. In summer, you can start rolling gently as soon as your seatbelt clicks, but keep revs under 2,500 RPM for the first 5 miles or so. Treat the engine like it's still waking up and it will reward you with legendary longevity. Once everything's up to temperature, you're ready for the next game-changing habit. Secret number 16, oil changes based on use, not just mileage. Mechanics push 5,000-mile changes while manufacturers say 10,000 or more. Who's right? The guys who actually fix the broken engines. Over 70% of major engine failures past 125,000 miles come from people strictly following the normal schedule. Forget the standard interval in your manual. Flip to the severe service schedule, that's the one for real-world driving. Stop-and-go traffic, short trips under 4 miles, extreme temperatures, dusty or polluted air. Japanese owners treat most driving as severe. Highway-heavy drivers change every 6,200 miles. City drivers do it every 4,300 miles. Even that's just a starting point. Every month, do the paper drop test, pull the dipstick, put 1 drop on white paper. Clean, light brown that spreads nicely, you're good. Dark, thick and stays put, change it immediately. Nail this and your engine stays protected, but you still have more fluids to watch. Secret number 15, regular fluid checks. Most people claim they check oil monthly. Great. But when's the last time you looked at brake fluid, transmission fluid, power steering, coolant, or even washer fluid? 5 minutes of your time can prevent 90% of roadside disasters. Check engine oil when the engine is cold for the most accurate reading once a month. Do the same for transmission and power steering fluid. Any fluid that's turned unusually dark, get it checked. Top up only with the exact same spec, never mix types or brands. Coolant and brake fluid, get a deeper look twice a year, plus before every long trip or when you notice sluggish acceleration, weird noises, or dropping fuel economy. Catch small issues early and you avoid the big expensive ones. Secret number 14, early air and fuel filter changes. Manufacturer recommendations for air filters are often 30-45-000 miles. Fuel filters? Sometimes lifetime. That marketing is dangerous. Real-world experts replace engine air filters every 15,000 miles or once a year, and fuel filters every 20,000 miles or 2 years sooner if they look dirty. A clogged air filter throws off the air-fuel ratio. Run too rich and you wash fuel down the cylinders and kill your catalytic converter. Run too lean and combustion temperatures spike, melting pistons. A $20 filter ignored can easily turn into $2,000 or more in repairs. Change them early and your engine breathes freely, but don't stop there. Secret number 13, clean intake system every 25,000 m. Your engine's air intake is like the lungs of the car. Let carbon, dirt, and gunk build up on the throttle body, intake valves, and mass airflow sensor, and performance falls off a cliff. Rough idle, hesitation, misfires, terrible fuel economy, and in worst cases, sudden stalling in traffic. Clean the entire intake system every 25,000 miles, stretch to 30,000 if you're religious about the next step. A clean intake keeps oxygen flowing and sensors reading accurately, preventing rich conditions that destroy expensive parts downstream. Secret number 12, only use high-quality fuel. Most regular pump gas barely meets minimum detergent standards, so carbon builds fast on valves, injectors, and pistons. That's why many cars need professional fuel system cleaning every 50,000 miles, often costing $500. Fight it two ways. First, use proven fuel additives every 10,000 miles. Stick to the ones that actually work. Second, fill up with top-tier gasoline whenever possible. It has extra detergents that dramatically cut intake valve deposits and can improve economy by up to 4%. Cleaner combustion means fewer expensive repairs and a much better shot at high-mileage glory. Secret number 11, battery terminal maintenance. In Japan, visible corrosion on battery terminals can fail the shaken. That white or greenish powder isn't just ugly, it kills electrical performance. Sensors lie, the alternator works overtime, and eventually the car won't start. Disconnect the battery, neutralize the corrosion with baking soda and water, scrub it clean with a brush, rinse, dry thoroughly, then apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly before reconnecting. Takes under 30 minutes, costs pennies, and prevents $1,000 electrical gremlins. Secret number 10, preventive replacement of belts and tensioners. If it ain't broke, don't fix it is terrible advice for belts. The serpentine belt drives your alternator, power steering, water pump, and AC. When it snaps, steering gets heavy, the engine overheats, and everything shuts down. A timing belt failure is even worse, bent valves and a totaled engine. Inspect belts and tensioners every 30,000 miles and replace them around 50,000 miles or every 5 to 7 years. It might cost $1,000, but it's cheap insurance against a complete engine rebuild. Secret number 9, frequent tire checks. Tire-related crashes and breakdowns are shockingly common. Most drivers never check pressure correctly, they look at the sidewall max instead of the door jamb sticker. Only about 19% get it right. Combine that with neglected rotations, alignments, and seasonal changes and you're destroying fuel economy, suspension, and safety. Check pressures monthly. Cold, rotate every 5,800 miles and get alignments as needed. Proper tire care is one of the highest ROI maintenance habits you can adopt. Secret number 8, cooling system care. Nearly half of all engine failures trace back to cooling system problems. Combustion hits 500 degrees F, the coolant, thermostat, water pump, and radiator have to be perfect. Check coolant level monthly. Look for sweet smells, leaks, cracked hoses, dirty radiator fins, and a compromised radiator cap. Bleed the system per your manual and do a full coolant flush every 30,000 miles. Keep the cooling system healthy and you remove the number 1 cause of sudden, expensive engine death. Secret number 7, avoid harsh driving. Insurance data shows aggressive drivers spend 30% more on repairs. The Department of Energy says harsh acceleration and braking can increase fuel use by 30–40%. Rapid RPM swings, hard stops, and bombing over bumps murder brakes, tires, suspension, injectors, and oil life. Drive smoothly, especially when cold. Occasional Italian tune-ups at operating temperature are fine, but make gentle driving your default. Your wallet and the car will both thank you. Secret number 6, general inspection every 6,200 m. The shaken is so tough that many owners just buy another car instead of fixing failures. Adopt that inspection mindset. Every 6,200 miles or every 6 months on cars over 8 years old, do a full once-over. Belts, all fluid levels and condition, hoses, brake pad thickness, tire tread and pressure. Do it yourself or pay a trusted mechanic. This single habit catches problems before they become dangerous or wallet-killing. Secret number 5, lubricate external moving parts. Japanese owners obsess over unusual noises because the shaken will fail them for it. Stay ahead by lubricating door hinges, hood and trunk latches, handbrake cables, and ball joints every 3,000 miles with white lithium grease. Use AT2-5 or similar on rubber bushings and hoses to keep them flexible and crack-free. Proper lubrication can double the life of suspension components for pocket change. Secret number 4, transmission fluid and filter change. A transmission replacement can hit $6,000. Most lifetime fluids are marketing nonsense. Change fluid and filter every 60–80,000 miles normally or 30–50,000 on higher mileage or severe use cars. Fresh fluid prevents overheating, clutch wear, and contamination. One of the highest return maintenance items you can do. Secret number 3, regular brake fluid flushes. A huge percentage of crashes involve brake issues, and owner neglect is the top culprit. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, becomes corrosive, and ruins calipers, lines, and ABS modules. Flush and replace every 2 years or 24,000 miles. Replace pads around 30,000 miles or when needed. Fresh brakes save lives and prevent far bigger headaches. Secret number 2, stick to OEM parts. Aftermarket parts are tempting because they're cheaper, but they fail at much higher rates. OEM parts fit perfectly, last longer, and usually carry better warranties. When you can, buy genuine OEM, not from the dealer, to avoid markup. For some wear items like filters and belts, quality aftermarket is acceptable, but for critical engine and safety components, OEM is the smarter long-term investment. Secret number 1, rust prevention through undercoating. Rust can destroy 20% or more of a car's value and turn structural components into Swiss cheese. In salty or coastal areas, it happens fast. Apply a quality undercoat every 2 years, wash the undercarriage after salted roads, park in a garage when possible, and inspect annually. Preventing rust is one of the cheapest ways to protect thousands in future value and repairs. There you have it, 17 battle-tested secrets inspired by the toughest vehicle inspection in the world. Follow them and you'll save serious money while building a car that just keeps going. But wait, before you go, there's one more critical video you need to watch. The 11 cheap parts almost nobody replaces that quietly destroy engines from the inside. Click over now so you don't miss it. Drop a comment with which secret surprised you most, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive smart.